right, man, y'all know what time it is. We are in Arizona, the big one, Phoenix, man. It's All-Star Weekend here at Arizona Bike Week, man. We done offloaded, like literally pretty much a lot of the bikes already, but we still got a few more to offload, so we're gonna get that here for you soon. Some of my boys just got off the road right now. That's one of them. Another one fresh off the highway. Y'all see what's going on. We got the ooze with the eyes over yonder, man. Of course, anniversary edition. Hold on, let me see. Let me get you right. There we go, anniversary edition with the ooze and the eyes on there. Y'all see what's going on, man. Of course, mine is in the garage. Got a few other bikes up in here. What's up, gang?
What's going on?
How you feeling? It's a movie. Y'all see what's going on? Come on. Big Daddy over there in the cut. We got another one over here in the cut. Of course, I'm with the fast guys today, so we're gonna see a whole lot of this and a whole lot of that, man. Another one of them new ones right here. Then, of course, we got another race bike right here, man. So they got some ooze on here, man. We're about to get this show on the road. Let's see what we got. So, like I said, we just offloaded 1 truck, 2 truck. Now we got 3 trucks, man. So, of course, CVOs, back to back. Ooze in the eye. Red buttons on him. PM with the PM. Let's see what's going on. Big number one. I think this one is nice. I like this one, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. And then he actually painted the speaker covers the same as the bag. That's pretty sick. I ain't think about that one. That one is pretty sick. Yes, sir, man. It's offload time. It's offload time. Pulled up all the way from LA. We are in the sunny Phoenix skies right now, man. It's a movie. Of course, we got that new thing right here with some ooze and some eyes, of course. 21 with the thing on there. And then, of course, we got some more of it in the back of this truck, man. So, it's a lot going on. But I can't wait. It's about to be a movie, man. Y'all see what it is. Y'all stay tuned. We about to get this show on the road, though. On the road, man. We about to get this show on the road, man. Let me see. Everybody got them ties. Y'all see what's going on. I like this one. Y'all see the cheese on there. Big Daddy for the Big Daddy. Yes, sir. Look, my boy couldn't wait to eat, man.
Yeah,
couldn't
you
wait
already
to
know,
go there.
man. Hey, 6 hours the longest.
Hey, man, I hear you, man. I hear you. All right, let's get it done, man. Let's see what we got. Okay, pulling that joint off of that thing, man. Oh, truck wasn't playing. He got that thing over there, too. Okay. You got the moves back there. I see you. I see you, man. Yeah, I see you, man. I see you.
In front of your bike?
My boy got the ooze in the eyes, man. Let's see. Oh, man, we got some CVOs to offload. Let's do it. Let's see what we got.
Just come straight back. Go straight.
Yeah, you good.
Straight, right? Straight.
There you go. There you go.
You in that fucking car and shit. Bro, why you put that banana right there, bro? You know we got a bad history, nigga slipping on bananas, nigga. You ate my whole thing, huh?
Got the oohs and the ahs on there, that's for sure. Colored brake lines and everything. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. We're gonna get it in and get it out. That's one thing we're gonna do, man. We're gonna get it in and get it out, man. Y'all see what's going on. Okay, we got another heater coming off. Another heater coming off. Who bike is this? Yours? Wheezy bike. Okay, Wheezy came with the new paint scheme and all that. The oohs and the ahs.
A&W, root beer.
A&W, yeah. I can dig it, man. I can dig it. That's how you come in or what, man? Yeah. I like the sound of that, man. It's cool, man.
That's good.
Or they say dreams and nightmares, man. It's either gonna be a dream or a nightmare, man.
Nick Mill?
Yeah, it's either gonna be a dream or a nightmare. We gonna figure it out, one of the two. Y'all see what's going on. Oh my God. Oh yeah, that's why he was in the house, man. He didn't want no parts. You know, he didn't want no parts, man. Y'all see what's going on though, man. We got them lined up back to back to back. Fast bike after fast bike, man. We gonna get them to where they need to go. We gonna get them to where they need to go, that's for sure.
Good. Come on, roll it down.
Let's see what we got.
Shit, man. Nah, see, I think I do his legs.
His leg.
That's a strap. I know. Roll back. Roll back.
There you go.
Why would you hit the brake? Because I was comfortable with it. My feet was on the ground. Bullshit. I call bullshit.
Oh yeah, that one. Actually, that one might be easy. This one might be easy too, man. Roll these things right off the side of this thing. You can be good to go. Roll them right off the side. Now this is another monster right here, of course. New daddy right here, 2025, 2024, don't know. They all look the same, but we're gonna go with what we know. You feel me? I know it's fast. I know it's fast. Big burns on the side of the side. Oohs and the ahs. With the big daddy tire on him. I wasn't able to get mine, but it's all good. We got him. Definitely got him, that's for sure.
Somebody stole my scratch from the yard,
Let's see what we got.
Huh? No, I have two more.
Oh, they're somewhere.
I think you took it and put them on a car.
Not me.
On one of them cars or something. I'm dying.
One thing I got, straps. In all forms of fashion.
All forms of fashions. Yeah.
Bullshit nigga, dog. I'm saying he acting like an old YN right now. Old YN right now, bro.
That's funny. That is funny. Come on, I'm ready. Let's go.
All them Dons you can pop behind the DJ. Booth.
Yeah, behind the DJ, but yeah, you're funny, bro.
You ready?
Uh-oh. Come on, man. Take it easy.
Watch out, T.
There you go. There you go. He manhandled that thing.
The kickstand grabbed the strap.
All right. We almost got all of them.
See, he
ain't go down here with nigga this weekend?
See what we got, man.
Hey, take this out.
Got that Big Daddy over here, man.
Thanks, brother.
You know, teamwork make the dream work, man. We got a person on every strap. It'd be taking me like 37 minutes to do this.
Teamwork, man, makes the dream
That's
work.
why I said,
Move
man.
away from the team if I have one.
Hey, man.
That was slick.
You're
that
funny,
was slick.
man. You're funny, dude.
Uppercut.
You know,
So you got to get him back?
it'd be even better if they was unstrapping his bike right now, you know?
Ooh.
I've been waiting for him since Oakland. He been disappearing for what, 3 years now?
Hard right in the kisser. Rest is history.
Yeah, 3 years, man. I didn't let it go at this point, y'all,
We
man.
looking for him.
You know, we could be friends again now, man. I didn't let it go now, man.
Yeah, let this shit go. I got class and shit.
It's all good, man. Don't worry.
Class for that shit.
Damn, them niggas got crap.
Yeah, Big Daddy's over here.
What happened?
Nigga Jack keep typing that motherfucker up, boy.
He ain't playing, is he, huh?
He ain't playing
He
around.
ain't playing. Get it on this side. There you go. Just hold the clutch, bro. Like you trying to do too much, bro. Keep the tire on that thing. There you go. There you go. Go for it. Woo-hoo.
You gonna move boot bike? Swing this trailer right there. Put the trailer right there.
Oh yeah, that's cool. I could take my trailer out too if somebody else want to park right here. That shit ain't nothing to move.
Taking the bikes
I don't know who else. Shit, I'm just saying. Oh yeah. Well, we got one more to offload, man, but we got to take the trailer off to do that. Meanwhile, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bikes over here. It's about to go down, man. I swear. I can't wait to pull the camera out. That 360 gonna be different. Gonna be different, man. It's a movie. Come on, man. Everybody chain ganged up. You know. You see how we coming here. Got you. Let me see. You know, I ain't gonna hold you. This thing looks sick. Ew. We got them bikes in here. What? This shit look crazy. Let's see what we got.